It's Deronda with 101. Blueberries are in season, and I'm going to show you how to make this simply delicious blueberry cobbler. You're going to need 2 cups of fresh blueberries, or if you would like to use frozen, you may. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter melted, and for the topping you're going to need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/2 cup of sugar. You may use more or less depending on the sweetness of your blueberries. And you're going to need 1 cup of boiling water. I'm going to show you how to do that in a little bit. But let's get started putting this blueberry cobbler together. In an 8 by 8 inch dish, I'm giving it a lovely little buttering or greasing. Add those 2 cups of blueberries into our 8 by 8 inch dish. Along with the cinnamon, we're just going to sprinkle it here over the top until we get an even layer. We're going to add that lemon juice. With a fork, we're going to give it a lovely, lovely little tossing until they're evenly covered with the cinnamon and lemon. Set this off to the side. In a medium bowl, we're going to add our all-purpose flour with our granulated sugar. With a fork, let's just combine those 2 ingredients along with our baking powder. And again, make sure you combine your dry ingredients before adding your wet ingredients. Then we can add our milk, butter. Yes, I told you this is very simple and easy to make. Bring those dry ingredients in with our wet ingredients until it turns into a dough. You want to make sure you don't over mix your batter here. Ooh, and that's going to be really delicious. When it's looking like this, you see it's nice and smooth. We're coming back with our blueberries. Using a spoon, we're going to drop by spoonfuls here on the top of our blueberries until you get a nice little even coat. Spread it over to the sides and the corners to make sure your blueberries are covered. Next, we're going to take that sugar and that cornstarch, give it a lovely little stirring. We're going to sprinkle it evenly over the top. It's very unusual. We're going to need that 1 cup of boiling water. You may want to just spread it out till you get this even layer. The final touch is to add the boiling water over the top of your cobbler. Just like that. You want your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is off to that oven on the middle rack for the next 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Use your timer and no peeking. Blueberry cobbler has finished baking. You see how bubbly it is along the edges, and if you want to use a toothpick to stick there in the center to see if any dough comes out on that toothpick, you can check your top part too. But I know it's completely baked, and I'm gonna let it cool down for at least 30 minutes to an hour before we dig into it. So hang on. It's been cooling down for about 30 minutes, and let's see what this cobbler looks like on the inside. There we go. Yes, it's still hot and steamy. Looky there. Doesn't that look fantastic? It's still really super warm. Let's give it a try. Gonna let it cool down just a wee bit. Here we go. A delicious, perfect, freshly baked cobbler you're not gonna be disappointed with. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.